like our video to help others find it. Today we're going to look at the EPAS 1010 Electric Power Steering Conversion Unit. This one's mounted under the dash. It is actually in line with the standard steering column. This is the adjustment knob that controls the level of power assistance. It's set on the lowest level currently. As you can see, when the car is off, it's very hard to turn the steering wheel. This is actually electric only, so we can just put the car into the on position to power it up, and that will enable the power steering assistance from the EPAS unit, which we'll put a link in the description below. And as you can see, it turns just like a brand new car. Now that's on the lowest setting. We can actually turn that all the way up to the highest setting, which will make it even easier to turn the steering wheel. It really just depends on your driving habits as far as that preference goes. So you can adjust that to whatever suits your needs. Thank you for viewing, and check out our website, FordThunderbirdForum.com. We have free memberships and free tips on our site. Thank you.